Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my latest video that I share to my channel daily. I know you were waiting of my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic which is about lob haircut. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite haircut among them. I'm sharing beautiful, latest, outstanding, gorgeous, fashion and trendy lob haircut in this video. Those girls who don't want too long hair or too short hair, this video is for them. Lob haircut is really gorgeous hairstyles. These haircuts are not too long or too short. These are almost shoulder length, chin length. It's up to you how do length you give it to your haircut. So I'm sharing beautiful haircut ideas in this video. These lob haircut ideas are really gorgeous according to the fashion and trend. These all haircuts are really beautiful. You don't need to too short to your hairs and you don't need to keep long hair because it is really hard to style and cover the long hairs. So don't waste your time. Just take your favorite hairstyle, screenshot, choose your favorite one and go to your hairstylist and pick this hairstyle. Well, I'm sharing all the low beautiful haircuts with beautiful fashion hair color with beautiful fashion funky color as well which are on trending these days. I hope you guys like this video. You can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they can also get know about the latest fashion of haircuts that I'm sharing in this video. After subscribing my channel, you will be updated to fashion because I make video on fashion and trend daily. You can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to watch and make video according to your choice. No doubt your choice is my first priority. Your appreciation keep me boost and energetic me. So guys, I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself.